Phrase 1. Everything will be just fine. Meaning. Do not worry, everything will be okay. Example. Don't worry, Fred, comforted Bill. Everything will be all right. Mary, I just don't know if I can go on. Bob, now. Everything will be just fine. Phrase 2. Bore the pants off of someone. Meaning. To be exceedingly dull and uninteresting to someone. Example. The lecture bored the pants off of everybody. You bore the pants off of me. Phrase 3. Have a clean conscience about someone or something. Meaning. To be free of guilt about someone or something. Example. I didn't do it. I swear to that with a clean conscience. I have a clear conscience about John and his problems. I'm sorry that John got the blame. I have a clean conscience about the whole affair. Phrase 4. Go across something to someone or something. Meaning. To cross something to someone, something, or someplace on the other side. Example. We went across the bridge to the island. Timmy went across the street to his mother. We came upon a little footbridge and went across to the other side. Phrase 5. On one's honor. Meaning. On one's solemn oath. Sincerely. Example. On my honor, I'll be there on time. He promised on his honor that he'd pay me back next week. Phrase 6. Fault someone for something. Meaning. To blame or criticize someone for something. Example. He tended to fault himself for the failure of the project. I can't fault you for that. I would have done the same thing. Phrase 7. Delete something from something. Meaning. To remove something from something. To cross something out from something. Example. The line was deleted from the sales agreement. Will you please delete this paragraph from the contract? Phrase 8. Chip in with something for someone. Meaning. To contribute money for a gift for someone. Example. Would you chip a few bucks in on a gift for Carol? Would you care to chip in on a gift for the teacher? Yes, I'd be happy to chip in. Phrase 9. In the hopper. Meaning. In process. In line to be processed. Example. Your job is in the hopper, and your turn is next. It's in the hopper. I'll get to it. Phrase 10. Skip bail. Meaning. To fail to appear in court for trial and forfeit one's bail bond. Example. Not only was Bob arrested for theft, he skipped bail and left town. He's in a lot of trouble. The judge issued a warrant for the arrest of the man who jumped bail.